How to download Termux. Open Google Chrome. Tap to search bar. Search Net Hunter Store. Tap to Kali Net Hunter App Store. Download Store app. Wait for download. Install Net Hunter Store app. Open Net Hunter Store. Tap to search option. Search Termux. Tap to install. Wait for downloading Termux. Now allow Net Hunter Store APK permission. Install Termux. Open Termux. Type first command. Termux -setup-storage. Hit enter. Allow Termux file permission. Type apt update and apt upgrade. Hit enter. Default permission Y. Enter default command. Type clear. Okay, your Termux now ready to use.